fight against illegal drugs is the barangay. Kaya ako pinatang ang bata. Now, in case meron tayong problema na hindi naman resolve to the barangay, then we will have to enforce the problem to the bata. Bata. Sa municipal and the drug business. Shared by the neighbor. Okay. Then, from municipal, meron ang alak, which is a teacher. And after which, meron tayo malak and international. So, bakit pala?